What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Josh from House of Euro. We are here at the shop here on a beautiful Sunday, and as you can see behind me, this is my GLA45 AMG daily, and we plan on doing a couple things to this thing today. Well, technically one thing while the Evo is getting worked on. That's a whole nother series that we're working on right now. If you're following us and subscribing to us, you know that we're doing a lot of really cool things to the 190 Evo track build here next door. But today on my GLA45 AMG, we plan on doing H&R lowering springs on this thing. So stay tuned and check it out. Go pee then. I don't want to. Well, that don't make no sense. You have to pee, but you don't want to go pee. Yeah. Gotcha.
21 it is.
Why? I like this angle. Come on, you got to show those glutes off, dude.
Not the right way to do it, but it's not a 7 Series or anything like that, so I know it doesn't have a lot of spring pressure. It's probably got a decent amount.
It's all right.
I'd rather be safe than sorry.
Yeah. Well, easy peasy.
Yep.
Here's the old spring right here. And H&R is going in. All right, so Rich just installed the passenger front on the H&R Springs. We got 3 more to go. So Rich, how hard was that to install?
That's super easy. It's the same as a Subaru STI or BRZ, FRS.
Okay, so
Super cake.
super cake. So for those of you that are thinking about doing H&R lowering springs on a GLA45, he says that it's pretty damn easy. So
this is probably one of the easier ones I've ever done. Yeah, anyone can do this, in my opinion. No specialty tools required. Be smart. Don't put your face over the spring when you unload it, but yeah, it doesn't have that much spring pressure to begin with anyways. It's a smaller vehicle.
all right, so Rich got one side knocked down. We got 3 more to go. While we're taking our brief little break, I just want to answer a bunch of questions people always ask me about owning the GLA45 AMG compared to a lot of my other AMGs that I've owned between M111s, M113s, M156s. Quite honestly, guys, I know a lot of you are going to hate this, but I think this 4-cylinder turbo AMG is just the absolute best daily AMG you can own. After having it for about a year now, this car just does it all. You know, 400 horsepower, it's got plenty of room for the dog, plenty of room for groceries, it makes all the right noises for a 4-cylinder. I really love it. So trust me, I'm gonna get myself back into another V8 AMG at one point, but between the Evo and this, I just think it's the absolute perfect balance. So, I don't know, Rich, what do you think about the 4-cylinder? You've driven this car plenty.
I've driven a couple of these, I've built a couple of these, and one of the best bang for your bucks in my opinion. Not crazy expensive, downpipe tune, intercooler, all types of stuff you can do to them, and they're a blast.
Yeah, and that might be something we do in the future. I still have warranty on the vehicle, so we're not trying to, well, you know. Well, the warranty already saved me a little bit. You know, we had to do a high pressure fuel pump, had to do a couple other things. Low pressure fuel pump correction from the mechanic here, but that was a costly, you know, labor intensive thing, and the warranty kicked in for that, so. What are you looking for?
My 18, I just had it, I set it down when I drank something. And then I need the number 8. Be over there.
"20 minutes later."
Damn threads are so long for no reason. Give it to me, it's mine.
Oh, it's a girl. Dr. Rich, thank you.
Pulling out the umbilical cord right now.
It's cold out.
Because you're not doing anything.
Out.
See ya.
Wilson!
A lot of rocks on this side.
Yeah, it's from all the rallying I do in it. So how long do you think we've been in it so far?
I don't know.
30 minutes?
30 minutes for both sides.
Yeah.
Just because I wanted to figure out all the tool combinations and everything, etc. right away.
Yeah, so far Rich is not pretty, he's about to wrap up this driver's side spring. Just had to put a couple final bolts in here and button it up. But yeah, so passenger and driver's side springs fronts, about 30 minutes or so.
I always push them inward because you want negative camber, because it's easier to put positive camber in it that way, because it's going to want to fall that way always, so you always just shove it in. Makes life easier during the alignment.
Well, there you have it.
Someone's going to tell me I can turn both at the same time, which I know I can. I didn't grab that tool set, so always check everything by hand. I'm done in real time. Go.
All right, well, both fronts are done, so we are gonna move on to the rears. Got done knocking out both front springs on the GLA45. We are about to embark on the rear springs. But before we start showing off all that content, if you like what we have going on here at House of Euro, you like seeing really cool Euro builds from all kinds of different manufacturers. Again, we have an Evo 1 build next door that we're doing a lot of cool stuff on. We got Austin's S4 drift build we're doing cool stuff on. So if you like that type of content, definitely give us a subscription and hit the little alert button thing so you can stay tuned on all the cool videos that we release coming forward. And yeah, support the family.
Keep going. Oh my god, I can't hold on to anything today. Also, I think this is just a spherical bearing, not a bushing. No, it's bushing. Because Mercedes for it.
Hey, easy. Easy there, Beamer guy.
Nope, I'm all Toyota.
I'll tell you. Yeah. No, that's Stetson over there. Stetson's Mark IV Supra.
Stetson likes the cool Toyotas. I want a Prius. Get me?
No, you don't.
Yeah,
You don't mean that.
Dude, I swear by a Prius. I don't care what anybody says. I swear by it. They're amazing.
What?
Yeah. I'm surprised you don't know that about me.
Dude, I am actually shocked.
Yeah.
All right.
Slowly lower this to your death.
That's pretty much what Rich's algorithm on Instagram looks like, by the way.
Yes.
Death. Everything that involves death. All right, well, third one, and we are on the fourth one here. Here you are, sire. I didn't know where you wanted it.
I didn't say anything.
I read your mind. It said something along the lines, just put it down, idiot. Hey, how much do you think we can get for those springs?
$2.
$2. Sold. I'm halfway to an In-N-Out hamburger.
Place sucks.
Yeah, Rich doesn't like In-N-Out. He's more of a Whataburger guy.
Oh, In-N-Out's the greatest. Animal style. Yeah, it's great because you gotta slop a bunch of crap on it. Gotta preload the suspension and tighten it all up. Don't preload, you tear all your bushings. As you can see, All the weight is basically off this corner, which is why I have a pull jack up front. A little extra safety, because it's sketchy, scares me, but hey, appreciate life, right?
I wonder how many people install these springs and do not do that step.
Probably.
Like they just do not know about that stuff. They just throw them in and like, hey, I'm lowered.
A lot. Also, on this side, I didn't loosen this one before I did it like I did this side. Someone's going to yell at me that I didn't do that, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to break it loose and loosen it, and then tighten it back up where it sits, because it's now at a different angle than what it was previously. So.
Came over here to say what's going on with Austin on his S4 drift build. He's getting ready for Southwest Speed Festival. And what we got going on here, man? Other than
my freaking nails
yeah, I was
off.
gonna say other than ripping your nails off.
Just rewiring the car for an arc panel. We've tried the cheap Amazon switch panels and they're just not working. So I've had issues in the past. I had issues recently, and Dad upgraded to a new arc panel, so I got his old arc panel. We're just wiring the car, making something super simple to work on. So it'll sit under the dash like this, be locked down, and then if we need to change something, we can rotate it down and work on it really easily.
Nice, nice, love it. See everybody, we'll be working on our cars on Sundays, man. True enthusiast here, not taking a day off.
Oh, my tuner said. The tuner can say a lot of things.
Well, your tuner also just made a bunch of money, so like it's kind of like a drug dealer. And then,
I want to shoot flames constantly and not burn out my valve. That's cool. I don't disagree with that. That's really cool. I'm about it.
yeah, I don't know how I feel about all that.
Love it.
I
absolutely love it.
I like natural
I like
backfires.
Pops, bangs, stupid shit.
It's because you love BMWs. That's why. It's like downshift. I'm like, dude, it's 15-second long downshift. Crack pop. Give me a break.
I don't disagree. There is a
Holy shit.
We can take this down a notch.
Yeah, please. Give it 2 seconds. Crack, 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 crack. Okay,
Yeah.
cool, cool. 17-second crack pop tune downshift, dude. Give me a break, man.
Cool.
All right,
We're done.
we are done.
We
So
can go home and I can get a breakfast burrito. Excited.
Rich has officially installed H&R Springs on the GLA45 AMG. We're gonna get,
We basically did it in real time too.
yeah, no, literally, pretty much, yeah. So I think all in all, what, an hour? Well, obviously we messed around a little bit.
An hour. Yeah, because
So yeah, there you guys have it. If you want to try to break the House of Euro, probably a world record for the GLA45 AMG spring install.
On this though, because there was oh no, you can do it in an hour. I've seen it on YouTube.
I don't know, man. I think there might be a record here. 1 hour H&R Springs on a GLA45 AMG. Can you bang out springs on, geez, any car really, besides like, you know, a race car in under an hour? Cool. Well, we're gonna get the wheels back on it, see what this stance looks like. And again, excuse me. We will be getting it aligned tomorrow. But yeah, let's see what this bad boy looks like.
Let's do it. Said yes. I cleaned up all the hubs. It's not a big deal. Just take a little whiz wheel. Done.
Don't be hating on my ringtone. You know what that's from?
Space.
Damn right it is. Last thing you want is the wheel falling off on the way home from the freeway.
Don't use a freaking torque stick on an impact gun. That's how you get a wheel to fall off. It's a real torque wrench. Oh, I've been using one for years. Yeah, because you're lazy. Get your steps in, walk around the car.